Welcome to the YouTube channel of CDT Global Logistics. We are all about things related to transportation, logistics, and global shipping. With our expertise in sea freight transport, trucking, rail, and barge transport, we ensure that your goods reach their destination efficiently and securely. Whether you're a business owner looking for efficient packing and warehousing solutions, or an individual interested in international vehicle shipping, we have got you covered. We also offer comprehensive documentation support, ensuring that all necessary paperwork is taken care of, including ISM, AES, and U.S. Customs clearance. We are committed to providing you with customized solutions to fit your specific requirements, on-time deliveries, and responsive customer support. Our team of experts is well versed in the complex regulations and procedures involved in international shipping, making your experience hassle-free. Our company helps move the world, connecting technology, connecting solutions, and connecting you to each other. If you would like to book your next transportation service from us, please contact us at info@cdtgloballogistics.com. CDT Global Logistics, your bridge to global shipping success.